Lost your locking wheel nut key. A practical guide to removal and replacement. Losing the key for your locking wheel nuts is a stressful scenario that can strand you during a roadside emergency or delay routine maintenance. While these specialized nuts are designed to prevent wheel theft, their unique design means they cannot be removed with standard wrenches. However, being locked out of your own wheels is rarely a permanent problem. The solution lies in a systematic approach. First, conduct a thorough search of your vehicle. Second, utilize the key's unique code to order a replacement. And third, if necessary, engage a professional with specialized extraction tools. Acting quickly not only restores your vehicle's mobility, but also ensures you are prepared for future tire changes. Understanding the mechanism locking wheel nuts are a security feature found on many modern vehicles. Unlike standard lug nuts, which have a uniform hexagonal shape, locking nuts feature unique, irregular patterns, such as splines, stars, or multi-point designs. Only one specific key fits each corresponding nut. Why this matters? Security. They act as a deterrent against wheel theft by making it difficult for thieves to remove wheels quickly with common tools. Compatibility. These keys are not interchangeable. A key from one car will not fit another, even if they are the same model. Design variations. Some systems use cone-based designs for easier alignment, while others use spline patterns for better grip. Worn or damaged keys can lead to stripped nuts, complicating future removal. Immediate steps. Locate and verify before assuming the key is lost forever. Follow these steps to locate it or identify the replacement process. Check common storage locations. Drivers often misplace the key in predictable spots. Search thoroughly in the glove compartment, the trunk or boot tool kit, the spare wheel compartment, original vehicle packaging, or dealer folders. Consult your vehicle manual. Your owner's manual may specify the storage location for the key or provide details about the locking nut type. This information is crucial if you need to order a replacement. Locate the key code. Most locking wheel nut keys have a unique serial number or code stamped on them. If you have this code, you can order an exact replacement from the manufacturer or a specialist. If the key is lost but you have the code saved in your phone or documents, you can bypass the need for physical removal entirely. Safe removal options. When the key is gone, if the key cannot be found, do not attempt to force the nut with standard tools. This can cause significant damage to your alloy wheels or strip the nut, leading to costly repairs. Professional removal. The safest and most efficient option is to contact a tire specialist or mechanic. They possess specialized tools designed to remove locking nuts without damaging the wheel. Locking wheel nut removal kits. These include various grip sockets that can bite into the unique pattern of the nut. Extraction tools. Specialized sockets that clamp onto the nut for controlled removal. Why professionals matter? They can remove the nut in minutes with minimal risk. DIY attempts often result in damaged wheels, which are expensive to repair or replace. Risks of DIY approaches: attempting to remove the nut yourself using file grinders, welding torches, or excessive force can scratch or crack alloy wheels, strip the threads of the wheel hub, break the nut, requiring more invasive removal methods. Unless you have the correct extraction tools and experience, professional assistance is strongly recommended. Replacing the lost key. Once the immediate issue is resolved, securing a replacement key is essential for future maintenance. Manufacturer replacement. Use your vehicle's VIN or the key code to order an exact match from the car manufacturer. This is the most accurate method. Dealer or specialist assistance. Car dealerships and tire specialists can often identify the locking nut type and provide a replacement key or remove the existing nut safely. Preventing future issues. To avoid being stranded again, adopt these best practices. Fixed storage. Always keep the locking wheel nut key in a consistent, accessible location, such as the glove box or toolkit. Document the key code. Save the key's serial number in your phone's notes or with your vehicle documents. This ensures you can order a replacement quickly if the key is lost. Regular checks. Inspect the locking nut during routine servicing to ensure it is not damaged or seized. Conclusion: losing a locking wheel nut key is inconvenient but manageable. By searching common storage areas, using the key code for replacements, and relying on professional removal services when necessary, you can resolve the issue efficiently. Prioritizing proper storage and documentation of the key code will prevent future disruptions and keep your vehicle secure and mobile.